Get your thing here.
Really?
Yeah, like if you do it like right when you start and you start trying to build it to get the materials.
How far?
You just have to get the materials, and by the time you get the infection, you would be done. So it's like you get the infection, and then like a second after, you would get it here.
4,000 meters.
No, the Cyclops could go 1,000 meters.
Okay.
Just 1,000. You go down 1,000 meters.
Mm-hmm.
And then first you start off. You know that little submarine that I've been talking about that you could drive around? What was it called?
Cyclops?
No, Cyclops is the big submarine. The big one.
Kanatica Subnautica?
No, that's the name of the game. Just be serious. What was it named?
Sea snail?
No, it's
Sea glove?
No.
Sea glide. Sea glide.
Yeah, it's a sea glide. The sea glide, when you upgrade it enough to the depth meters you could upgrade. In vehicles, you could actually upgrade it to go farther down. So you upgrade it all the way. You start at 300. You upgrade it again, then it goes to 500 and 900. And then you get to 900, and then you could go 900 meters down after.
I might play Ultima Online.
Huh?
I might play Ultima Online though.
And then after that, you'd probably have the Cyclops by then, and then you could go like 1,000. What was it? 100 more meters down. 900 and then 100 more equals 1,000. So you go when you get the Cyclops, you could go 100 more meters down. It's called something. I forgot it. It's a big robot. You could upgrade it to have a drill arm.
Oh, really?
And a punching arm.
Oh, that's cool.
So you could drill stuff.
And punch things?
Yeah. And like punch.
Man, where's Mom? What's going on?
And when you get it, that thing could go down like it's so much more materials than the Cyclops. It's so rare, so it goes down 1,010 meters.
1,010? What about 100 million meters?
No, just 1,010. 1,010 meters. It even has a thing. Do you know